Low-carb pizza bowls for the entire family. Your secret weapon, the air fryer, and full pans. If you don't have picky eaters in your family, then just use one of the large round. But honestly, we all have picky eaters, so everybody gets their own. I like to line it all up buffet style and let the fun begin. Mama's getting the big boy pan. Everybody else can have the tiny ones. I always like to start out with the sugar-free pizza sauce on the bottom of my pan so nothing sticks. On top of that, just layer all of your favorite pizza toppings. Ground beef, pepperonis. I always add multiple layers of cheese. Black olives and jalapenos. Don't forget to crumble up some bacon. Your favorite seasonings? Then I like to repeat it all over again. I like to cover my pans with foil so I don't burn my cheese. Place the entire pan in your air fryer. 350 until everything is nice and gooey. At the end of the baking process, remove the foil to brown the cheese. Sit back and enjoy pizza night.